92 properties sold in Annapolis in March at a median sold price of $642,500 and in 26 days. It's Friday, April 3rd, 2026. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, your go-to real estate resource in Maryland. This is the weekly Annapolis Real Estate Report. So last March 2025, 91 homes sold with a higher sales price of $675,000 compared to this March, representing a 5% decline in overall sales price. Active inventory in Annapolis rose again this week to 188 units for sale and at a median $682,500 list price, representing a 3.5% price increase over last report. These have been listed 35 median days. 41 units will be coming soon at a median $695,000. 30 properties went under contract this past week in 5 days at a median list price of $589,000. While this reflects fewer properties, the median list price dropped 15% from last report. 30 properties sold at 99.4% and the median sold price of $637,500 and in 10 days. 35 rental properties are for lease at a median $2,800 per month and active for 31 days. Over the past month, only 19 rentals were completed with a median list price of $3,200 per month. Got questions? Give me a call and let's talk. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, April 3rd, 2026. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.